What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda MPV remote key fob. This Mazda MPV key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to do this is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down on near the key ring on the very bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, and then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. You can use your screwdriver to help get under the edge of it and get it out of that little holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing the battery with the plus side down on the case like that. Go ahead and snap that into place. And then we can snap the two halves of the shell back together. Make sure that's all the way snapped together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.